Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara. For anyone who is new here, I post a lot of cleaning motivation videos to help you get motivated to tackle your own cleaning. Today's video is a little different because it's a lot shorter than my usual videos. It's 8 minutes long, so it's perfect if you don't have a lot of time and you just want some quick cleaning motivation. I saw this video idea on Megan's channel from Love Meg. I'm sure that most of you know her and watch her videos, but in case you don't, I will leave her link to her channel in the description down below. She is so hardworking and sweet, so I really recommend checking out her channel. I'm sure you will love it. I started by stripping the bed and now I will quickly vacuum the mattress before I put some fresh sheets on. I really like to vacuum our mattress once a month.
Saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you.
Tell me in the comments if you're enjoying this video so I can make more. I was actually thinking to make a series out of it. I currently upload 2 longer videos a week and I was thinking this could be my 3rd upload, so you get 1 short video every week. It would be 8 minutes long and I will give you as much cleaning motivation as I can in those 8 minutes. I will really speed up my clips and there will be no fancy editing, just raw cleaning motivation. That way I don't have to spend so much time editing this video and you get 1 extra every week. Definitely tell me in the comments what you think about that. Now I'm in the living room and I'm just tidying up the space so I can wipe down the coffee table, and for that I'm using my homemade cleaner. After I'm done with that, I will move to the TV stand and does that. Moving into the kitchen, I'm starting by putting away all the clean dishes and then I'm going to start washing the dirty ones. I didn't have much to wash on this day, just the ones from breakfast and lunch. After I'm done with that, I will move to the stove top and clean that, and I will also scrub the sink. Now I will just wipe down the counters and the backsplash, and I'm still using my homemade cleaner. Now I'm moving back into the living room so I can fold the clothes that I have hanging over here. I started a lot of laundry in the morning, so I'm taking that out now, and I will hang that in the living room to dry. That is everything for today's 8-minute instant cleaning motivation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and tell me in the comments what do you think about me making these videos every week. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you would stick around and check some of my longer videos. I have my cleaning playlist listed in the description if you need more motivation. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
My enemies have tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed.